guys.
Dorm.
We're here at Flower Dome now. So we're going to sulod sa sa Flower Dome.
Gang dito, ticket gang oh.
Guys, lantawan niyo ang tatlo ka mga gupahon. Sulod kami sa Flower Dome. Ang mga diwata ka Iloilo diya sa Singapore. Flower Dome. Thank you. Opo. We're walking now. And look at my
You need to
friend.
speak English because they cannot understand now.
Okay. Okay.
Your followers cannot understand what you're talking
I
about
don't
now.
know if I have a English followers. Oh, look. Wow. Look at the view. It's so beautiful.
Wow, it's the what's this called, the flower?
Ah, so many people.
Wow.
Wow. Ganon. My God naman, ang English.
Oh, wow. It's so nice.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Look over there,
Wow,
guys.
I turn around. Left and right.
Look at the view, guys. Wow. Can you see that?
Sometimes so many
Pretty.
people around the world.
Guys, what's this? Coconut?
Guys,
one,
look. There's a
This
kamuti
one, dala po na
here.
niya.
Later we can
Sa dahon kamote. You can put down.
we can
The
cut
tinulang
and
isda.
bring home. Then sampaw in your pinaksyo.
Tinola?
Tinulang sinabawan.
Yung mayo.
Wow, guys, look. My friend is taking picture with the banga.
Isang da ba nga put the water inside?
Daming tao, guys.
Oh my God.
Let's go, guys.
Let's go
Look,
first other side.
this is what they call million flower, I think.
How come have million? Is
Wow,
it
so
millions?
many flowers. See? Can you see that? Sorry.
Sorry.
Wow.
Wow.
Beautiful. Look. Wow.
Baho sang ano gang? Maraman? Anong baho raman?
Bulak in. Mm. Wow. Very ano kita na gang ano fresh gali. Look at the flower,
Baho gani.
guys.
Ano nang baho
It's
man?
so real.
Ano nang baho na?
No. Look.
Ang kala chuche, ano man?
Look at the million flowers. They're so pretty.
Kaya,
Oh my.
diyan nami man na. Nami man na.
Wow.
Yan, picture ako dyan, bra. Nami siya, ah.
Ay, ano rin dyan? Ay, pwede click ang camera.
Look at those flowers, guys. They are so pretty
Kabulak,
and
bro.
they are very fresh. Like this one. Fresh. Fresh na fresh. Okay. Oops, rampa-rampa na isanda. Yeah, best supportive friendship all over the world. Oops. Okay.
Sige, crap lang ito muna. Sana kayong laki, gulpi na gagi. Ang laki, gulpi na gagi.
Sana all.
Ang laki.
Wow, very pretty. Kita na guys ang million flower. I love it.
Susong laki man mo.
Look at those red
Laki, gulpi na
flower.
gagi
I
mo.
don't know what's the name.
Crop lang. Grabe nga si Kangkang. Oo ka.
Look at the beautiful view of this pretty girl. Ang bulak nagsilo sa anong na ulo. Very fresh siya yung
Kasi
buhok.
masalaan siya karon.
Japagin, isa.
Diyan na, diyan na.
TikTok ko na, TikTok.
Eh, 0.5 mo.
Ay, sorry, excuse me.
Hindi namin na, hindi pa 0.5. Pa?
Tumbling. Kusing-kusing. Dahil mo nga manag-video, manag-picture nga.
Diba?
Ano yan? Hindi na pa 0.5. Ngayon na kalaway.
Ano daw makaisa nga torno. Kapoy, ito ko sa picture. Yan. Daw na, no? Timo?
Tindog lang yun.
Rampa-rampa naman.
Namparampa naman. Di dyan. Namparampa.
Alam mo yan, dan.
Di yung lahat na mga dula. Ara karon.
Dito mabula.
Ate sa mo na lang na manggad ta.
Sa tubig ko.
Asaw na.
Punto na karon.
Bye.
Yang kawan mo ko rin iba.
Ari na. Huwag na tawo. Ka naman?
Usa dala tanan nga bulak ka picture.
Madam,
Yes?
ano na video tapos like that, ikot-ikot tayo ganun.
Sige.
Masabay kami sa imo na ikot-ikot ka.
Ano, ikot-ikot man. Gito. Just may namin ang bulak. Pwede mo nangit.
Maigo ka tawon.
Gulpi pala mulog, cellphone mo, tutok-an lang.
Then, diyata.
Madam, bakit bumalik tayo
namituto
dito,
rin siya.
madam? Madam, bakit
Maningit ka,
bumalik
hindi ka
tayo
bulak.
dito?
Oh, look at the flowers.